What's up, guys? Today, exciting day for you. Many cool things to happen. I am cleaning my car. Yeah. So, 99 Honda Civic got stolen a couple days ago. Sorry for yelling. My car got stolen a couple days ago. Buddy decided to bleed all over everything, and it's covered in fingerprint dust. So, it's now snowing, cold, and shitty out. So I get the privilege of washing it, vacuuming it, and wiping it. Yeah, so you guys coming along for a ride of super exhilarating stuff to come. Yeah, got my coffee, let's go. Let's go. And as I sit here, wondering why I even bother with keys anymore, I remember that it's also Canada, so of course it decided to snow. The bad news is I can't not wash the car because it's covered in blood and fingerprint dust, so I have to wash it. And then it's gonna freeze, and then I'll spend 2 days trying to break in again. I don't know what the third thing would be. I guess we're gonna find out. So I'm off to paint my car in ice. Yep, like this. Oh, we're fine. Wonder if everything still works. Oh my god, my radio works. Oh my god. Okay, we're a good day. That's a relief. Now I have something to listen to. Tuck you down there with the rest. Alright, fun times coming ahead, I guess. Fuck me. Right on, so update. I also don't have wipers because they broke. All of that. Just the gift that keeps on giving. So since I don't have wipers, I'm just gonna leave it out here running. Let it warm up. If someone decides they want to steal it again, this time you can have it. Thanks. I'm also now just realizing that I have two neutrals. Neutral and D4 neutrals. D3 sometimes works. I do not have wipers. You know, I mean, we might make it. I don't really have a choice at this point. Okay. Okay, so D4 just stopped working again. So anyway, it could be one of a million things. It could be half my steering column, you know, smacking my kneecaps, or, oh yeah, no, never mind, that's suspension. Also coming to the realization, if I get into this car wash and this transmission dies like it's trying to, it's a walk home. Do you guys see that fucking squeaking? Now you can't hear it over the rest of the broken shit. Well, right on. So she's a little pissed off there. Fender's sticking out, bumper hanging down. A scratch on the other mirror, but at least it's the dust is off. Well, one thing's for sure. These guys like to fucking party. That's a glow stick number 2. That was one in the back seat, one on the transmission and the engine bay. So that's fucking just right on. Appreciate that, fellas. Gave her a wash so it's not covered in fucking cocaine fingerprint dust. Wiped down the inside. However, I don't know if you can tell, you're also like sitting on my nose. The entire inside windows on the driver's side, that was great English. Entire inside windows on the driver's side is covered in this fingerprint dust. And I've been scrubbing, and like some places it'll come off where I'm streaking with my finger, but pretty annoying. Passenger side, spotless. Also, we're gonna remedy this right now on film. This full-blown gangster stance on the seat. Alright, well, so it's kind of clean. Oh, they left a torch. So that's neat. They did not leave their meth light bulb pipe thing, so I mean, that's only half good. And they left me quite a bit of change. So I don't know what kind of fucking people these were. Oh. So they left their phone, earbuds, torch lighter, change. What else was there? Glow sticks. There's 2 of those. That counts as 10. What the fuck? Who even uses goddamn glow sticks anymore in a car that has interior lights? Off to go play in the snow. So, gonna be honest, I just had a full-blown fucking panic attack. I lost all gears again, driving. I was in D4, and when I pushed on the thing didn't move. If I was not 100% certain that this transmission is dead twice over, I would check the oil, make sure there's they didn't somehow drain 5 liters of ATF, but it is garbage at this point. So it's a good thing I'm a block from home, because I don't know, I have an irrational fear of breaking down at a red light that turns green, and I just fucking, that's the one thing, man, that kills me. Can't handle it. I'm just waiting until that light goes green so I can get a running start. So I just thought I'd take a clip here. So yeah, thanks. See what happens when we get home, I guess. Oh, I keep finding shit in my car from my car. Awesome. So I'll be honest, I've always really wanted to just smash over, oh fuck, speed bumps in this thing. I feel like this is my only chance now that like she's all fucking turted out. So, whoa, we're gonna get a run start here. You know what? Fuck it, we're gonna bring you boys along. How often do I get this opportunity? I'm never gonna want a Jeep Civic again. I don't want to break this thing, but if it's already broke, fucking let's have fun, right? Oh god, my asshole is so puckered. I am scared. Oh! Oh god, well, that wasn't, alright, well, that's like a 40-minute clip, and that was the most disappointing thing in my life. That's saying something. Just gonna casually throw some broken car parts out while we're going through the drive-thru. Oh yeah, oh shit yeah. So today was just gonna be clean up, get all the fingerprint dust off. I washed the outside, wiped down the inside. I gotta do windows and vacuum, but I was gonna videotape it and like throw some music up and try and be cool, but honestly, not even I care enough to watch me vacuum. I'm not gonna put you through it, so I'm gonna vacuum it. If you wanna watch me tear a Honda Civic apart, it's coming up, so eventually we'll start throwing parts. Good parts, not replacement parts, aftermarket parts. Engine. I hope you guys are enjoying the stress I'm going through here. I'm trying to make these entertaining videos about, you know, making light of my car being stolen, so, you know, I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the support. I like making these videos, so I'll keep doing them and try not to videotape me vacuuming, because no one wants to see that shit.